Okay, day 7 of a hard, dry fast. Day 7 is when things start to turn around. You've grown a big beard, your mouth is sticky, it's just the way it is. Okay, it's day 7. Starting weight, 147. My voice is hoarse, but I'm feeling great. I just had a quart of coconut water and a quart of baking soda water. I'm going to let that sit in. I've ended my fast. I take some keto measurements and some pH measurements a little bit, but everything went great. I feel great, and I got a pretty severe beard started here. That's going to go in about 5 minutes when I take a shower. Anyway, things are looking great. I'll report back later, and have a good day. So you can see at the end of day 7, you've been through the most of it. You're going to start to recover, and at the end of that 7-day dry fast, you will be able to drink that coconut water. It'll be the best coconut water you've ever had in your life.